everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, my name is Hetkem and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. But before we do that, hit the like button and the subscription box to subscribe to this channel. So let's jump right into the video. I will just go in with my MAC concealer.